Hey guys, welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems. I'm Alex, and in this video we're solving 1071 greatest common divisor of strings. I already solved it, but the video took too long for this, so I'm recording another video. So what's the problem about? So for two strings s and t, we say t divides s if and only if s equals t plus t plus t plus t plus t plus t. For example, t is concatenated with itself one or more times. So the string ABC is ABC plus ABC. So string t will be ABC. Given two strings, string 1 and string 2, return the largest string x such that x divides both string 1 and string 2. So we need to find a value that divides both string 1 and string 2. In this case, it's ABC because it's the same, and AB, in this case, AB, 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 and in the last case, LeetCode, well, there's nothing that can divide both, so empty string. So how do we solve this? So it is, let's look at the AB, AB example. So we have 6 strings and then we have AB, AB, which has 4. So to solve this, we need to find AB. How do we find it? First of all, we know that it's 6 characters here and 4 characters on this one. So whatever is the word that divides both of them, if it exists, it must be the greatest common divisor of both of them. So let's try it, because we need to find something that multiplied by 2, not 2, or multiplied by 3 gives this result. And this something that multiplied by 2 gives this result. And the greatest common divisor of both of them is a size 2, AB. So, first of all, let's find the greatest common divisor. Greatest common divisor equals GCD, this is from the math module, of length of string 1 and length of string 2. And now we need to check if that they both start equally. So string 1 from 0 until the greatest common divisor. If this is equal to string 2 from 0 to the greatest common divisor. If so, we do some things. So now we need to see that string 1 is equal to string 1 from 0 to the greatest common divisor. So in this case, AB times the length of string 1 divided by 2, integer division. Why are we saying this? So string 1 is AB, AB, AB. Let's see if it's equal to, we know the greatest common divisor will be 2, so AB, AB, AB must be equal to AB times the length of string 1, which is 6, divided by 2, which this is 3. So AB times 3 must be AB, AB, AB. Also, if, then we do the same thing for string 2. String 2 equals string 2. Okay, same thing, and if so, we return string 1 from 0 all the way to the greatest common divisor. and if nothing checks out, they say we should return an empty string. So let's just submit. Okay, wrong answer, outputs nothing, expected ABC. Okay, let me just run this locally. See what went wrong. So string 1 is ABC, ABC. String 2 is ABC. Run on debug, okay, ran into nothing. Just auth. String 1. Let's see if ABC equals string 2 ABC, and then okay, string 1, which is ABC, ABC. Okay, ABC and times 3, which is not 3. Oh, it's not divided by 2. This is like a stupid mistake. Of course not divided by 2. It's divided by the great common divisor. Same thing for the rest. Yeah, and now let's check the result. ABC. Let's go. Okay, runtime beats 56%, memory beats 89%. Let's submit again and see if we're lucky. Oh, we did even worse. Well, I'm actually happy with this. Okay, now we do 37 beats. Okay, a lot better. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you later.